The Tier 1 pharma companies are very large companies. They necessarily have to be big because it's very expensive to develop these medicines, and they have enormous numbers of factories. They can have factories anywhere from 20 to 100 factories all over the world. And we need to provide consistency. That means we need that geographical spread in order to serve the customers in those regions, all the way from America and Europe and Asia and Australia. We need to be able to drive that one team across that full network. So we need local people in those areas with local language and local culture. And we also need that offshore support so that we can tie all that together and deliver the right price point. So what's important is that we can work at scale across the manufacturing network for the customers. In terms of being able to serve patients globally, because we have the ability to deliver on the supply chain and the cold chain that goes with it, insofar as the medicine has to be kept at a certain temperature as it flies around the world, we need to make sure that our ability to drive that supply chain and monitor and consistently provide that temperature and that assurance to the customer that the medicine is as it's supposed to be, we can deliver that and monitor it and support it offshore to make sure that the customers are always getting the right medicine.